guys, so since there's some traffic here, I'm going to make a video on the way home just because I don't want to do it when I get home. I might fall asleep. So today I tried to get as much as I could footage wise, but some guy was in there cleaning up, so I didn't want to be talking and stuff like that. So for the most part of the day, I was working on the disconnect switches for these. I think they're fans, but they call them cassettes, so I'm not sure what that exactly means, but it looks like some type of fan unit for each little office area. So I was taking the coils of wires and then stubbing them into the box and mounting the boxes, making up the switches, and then taking the whip that I added into the disconnect box, aka the load side, and then I was putting that into the fan unit itself and making that up to the line 1, line 2, and ground. I'm going to move over here. So anyways, making up the disconnects and fans for most of the day, and then the last little part of the day after lunch, I was making up the, I don't know what they're exactly called, the split units or air conditioning units on the walls. So there was 2 of the first kind with these little pumps or something, I'm not sure, and then the second one was just a regular one, just line 1, line 2, and ground. But the first ones had some extra low voltage wires for some kind of circulation pump or something like that. So it was a really good day, kind of boring, just doing the same thing over and over again, but that's kind of the way I like it. And that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you guys back on Monday. I'll try to get another Corvette video out. I just don't know what I'm going to be doing this weekend, if I have some time or not. I might be doing some stuff, so we'll see. And lastly, I want to mention, don't forget about the giveaway that ends at 1,000 subscribers. So we're getting there slowly, so go check that out. It's like 4 or 5 videos back if you want to be entered to win one of the tools in the video. There's 6 choices. I just want to give back to you guys for being so loyal and for always being there for me and being supportive. So I want to get back to you guys for this milestone, and it's getting hot in here, so I'm going to get ready to turn the air conditioning back on. But I want to say thanks for watching. Drop the video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos back on Monday, or if you want to support me and say thanks. That's all I got for you guys. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.